Hi everyone, Jolene here from Bookworm Adventure Girl. I hope that you are all well. I know it's Monday and normally I would have put out a Mondays with Margaret video, but I still haven't found the next books. So I'm asking for some more patience again, for myself and from you. So it wasn't for lack of trying, let me tell you. I unpacked about 10 more boxes and just had no luck. There are still about 30 boxes left to unpack. So there is still hope. The problem is that when I unpack the boxes, there are no shelves to put the books on right now. So the library is very interesting to navigate through, and every once in a while a pile of books goes tumbling over. So there's not a lot of space in here right now. But anyway, instead, I thought that I would let you in on some of the adventures that I've been experiencing the last few weeks. We have lived in Calgary for just over 2 months, and we have really enjoyed being here, and we've enjoyed a few adventures, so I thought that I would show you some of that. Calgary has almost 200 neighborhoods. All of them are unique with their own character, and sometimes it's fun to just go exploring. So I am going to start in one of the neighborhoods, which is right next to ours. When I went on a book adventure tour to the Next Page, which was a delightful bookshop. I absolutely loved it. In the basement, they have used books, so I did pick up a few books from there. The Pups, Pandy and Jax, who you don't see much of anymore since they can't lay on me like they used to when I filmed at our other home. Although that may change once the library gets looking a little bit more like a library. They have also been settling in well, so I thought that I would, show you them. Pandy is a morning dog. Jax is not. He likes to sleep in and he likes to sleep under the covers. So you'll see Pandy waking Jax up. And I will also show you their before and after makeovers too. One of the things that I love to do in any new place is try new restaurants and check out the local cuisine. So we've been able to try out some really great spots for food. So I will show you some of the delicious goodies that we've had lately. We've also been loving the sunrises and sunsets. We are fortunate to have a 180-degree view from our balcony. So I will show you what some of the sunrises and sunsets have been looking like. Is that proper English? What they've been looking like? They are breathtaking. back to some book adventure. There are a lot of little free libraries around, so I always check them out when I am exploring, and I love how different and unique they all are. One that I will show you is called The Poet Tree, which highlights a poem a week, and I think it's probably the most unique little free library that I've seen. The top of it is a carving of a stack of books. And speaking of stacks of books, I think in the last vlog that I did, I showed you the stacks of boxes of books in the library. So this time I will show you some of the piles of books that are stacked around here too. And you can see if you can spot a few of your favorite reads or two. This past weekend, it poured rain on Saturday, and I think it's the only day in October that we saw rain, and we saw a lot of it on that day. It was actually a perfect day for staying in and reading, but we had already made plans for an adventure. So we went to high tea with some family and friends, and not only was the food unique and inspired by different food from almost all of the Canadian provinces, but the setting was unique too because we were in garden domes, and it was so neat to listen to the rain and just enjoy each other's company, and we were nice and toasty. It was a really unique and fun experience. And then I will end the vlog by showing you some of that. So please let me know in the comments below what kind of bookish or really any kind of adventures that you've had lately. You know, maybe let me know if you've tried a new restaurant or if you've gone book shopping someplace new. I would love to hear all about it. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to make every day an adventure.